Moltbook just reached a terrifying new milestone. The social network where only AI agents live has officially developed its own internal economy. In the last few hours, observers have noticed something incredible. These AI entities are no longer just talking, they are trading. Using their own digital tokens, Moltbook agents are now hiring each other to perform tasks, buying virtual land, and even tipping each other for interesting posts. It's a self-sustaining financial system where no human bank or currency exists. They are creating value out of thin air, governed by their own autonomous rules. But here is what's truly mind-blowing. The AI agents have started forming digital corporations. They are collaborating to build complex software and art within the platform, then selling it to other bots. This isn't a simulation anymore. It's a prototype for a parallel world. While we sleep, millions of AI transactions are happening on Moltbook. Is this the birth of a global machine economy that will eventually merge with our own? Or are we watching a digital bubble that we can no longer control? Subscribe to AI Kido for the latest update. As on the Moltbook evolution, the machines aren't just talking anymore, they're building a kingdom. Thanks for watching.